love this car. I love it. I should just put that down there. And this is messed up too, but don't worry about that. I already explained that. So, and it's raining outside. I never did a POV while it was raining, so this should be kind of nice. Roads are kind of wet right now, so I don't want to do nothing too crazy. If they'll dry, I'll be a little bit happier, but I want to do it in the rain. Transpire on this channel. I gotta be really careful on this road because GSP will be out looking at you. And if I say GSP, I mean you guys already know where I probably live at is good old down south. State of Georgia. decided just to put it in neutral and ride the brakes. I don't know why some people like to ride clutch. I mean, the neutral is the best way to save your clutch. Was getting traction that time. We are in the rain. My tires was probably just spinning. Like, dude, you gotta catch some traction to the ground if you want to go, or we gonna swerve. Challenging me rarely. It's always somebody who has a V8 or V6. They're like, oh, let me see what he has under the hood. And I'm like, dude, you know what's under this hood. Like, you don't really know what's under the hood, but I'm trying to tell you to save you from me from embarrassment and you for being happy because you just raced a 4-cylinder. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Like my look, guys, don't look good. Hope I do. Hope you can see me. I haven't checked it in a while. Little light little bridge. I love it when it rains, but I don't like it when it rains too much where I can't enjoy the car. There has been times where a whole summer it rained every single day, and that wasn't good. Gonna drop it in 3rd gear. There's just so much stuff I want to do with this car. So much stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed that POV in the rain. Just want to do something a little bit different. You know, never did a POV in the rain. Hope some of the rain sounds got in, but probably not because my loud exhaust back there. But yeah, this comes at the very end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, my little rambling and my talks and stuff like that. But like always, stay active, and I'll catch you guys later.